Assalamu alaikum all viewers. Today we have a new chapter. We start chapter 7 from the 10th class book. This exercise is very important. Exercise 7.5. That is the trigonometric identities. First of all, we have some formulas are required to remember it. Exercise 7.5. First of all, we are needed some trigonometric formula. The first formula we write here sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 plus tangent square theta is equal to secant square theta. Third one is 1 plus cotangent square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. And tangent theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. And number 5, cotangent theta is equal to cos theta divided by sin theta. Or we can say that here tangent theta is the reciprocal of 1 over cotangent theta. These are some important formulas we are using in the trigonometric identities. We start from the first question. Secant square theta minus secant square theta minus 1 into cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. We are taking left hand side. We want to prove sin square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1 into cos square theta. Taking left hand side. Secant square theta minus 1 into cos square theta. According to the formula, look here, if we change this value according to the second rule, because here secant square theta is available, so we expand, we change this formula here, so we will get the answer tangent square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. So in replace of secant square theta, we put in here tangent square theta. Cos square theta is multiplied. Similarly, here tangent square theta and here is tangent theta, but here is square, so we are taking square on. Taking also put square, it means that here sin square theta divided by cos square theta into cos square theta, both are cancelled, which is the required result of the right hand side. So left hand side is equal to right hand side secant square theta minus 1 into cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. Similarly, tangent theta plus secant theta is equal to 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta. We want to prove this one taking left hand side tangent theta is equal plus secant theta. According to the formula, tangent theta is equal to sin over cos. Sin by cos, we can write here sin theta divided by cos theta plus secant theta is also the another result. We put here secant theta is equal to 1 over cos theta, or cos theta is 1 over secant theta. So we put here 1 over cos theta. Now taking LCM. LCM is cos theta LCM. Cos theta divided by cos theta, we get 1 sin theta into 1 plus 1 cos theta divided by cos theta into 1. So we get the answer sin theta plus 1 divided by cos theta. According to the right hand side, we check at 1 plus sin theta, we arrange this one term, arrange the term 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta, which is right hand side, which is the required proof. Question number 3. Cos theta minus sin theta whole square is equal to 1 minus 2 sin theta cos theta. We want to prove this one. Taking left hand side, cos theta minus sin theta whole square. According to the formula, we have the formula a minus b whole square. We can write a square plus b square minus 2ab. According to this formula, we open here a is equal to cos theta and b is equal to sin theta. So according to this formula, if we open cos theta whole square plus sin theta whole square minus 2 into cos theta sin theta. Now look here, cos square theta we can write and sin square theta minus 2 sin theta. We arrange this one cos theta because both are multiplied to each other, and cos theta, from this is we know that sin square theta plus cos theta is equal to 1. So we put in the place of 1 minus 2 sin theta cos theta, which is right hand side. So we can say that cos square theta minus sin square theta whole square is equal to 1 minus 2 sin theta cos theta. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. We want to prove this one. Cos left hand side cos square theta minus sin square theta. We put here, give the equation number 1. Now according to the first formula, because here is required 2 cos square theta and replace of sin square theta, we put the result as we know that the formula sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So sin square is required, we change this value here. Cos square, so sin is also changed. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Put this result in, we give equation number 2. Put equation 2 and equation number 1, we get this result we put in equation number 1. So left hand side is equal to cos square theta minus, in replace of sin square theta we put 1 minus cos square theta. So expand the brackets, minus 1 minus into minus plus cos square theta. So both cos square theta are same. So we add the coefficient here. Coefficient is 1 plus 1, 2 cos square theta minus 1, which is right hand side. So we can say the left hand side is equal to right hand side. Tangent theta plus cotangent theta is equal to secant theta cosecant theta. Taking left hand side, tangent theta divided plus cotangent theta. In replace of tangent theta, we put sin theta divided by cos theta and tangent theta cos over sin theta. So in replace of sin theta divided by cos theta plus cos theta divided by sin theta. Now taking LCM of this one, LCM. LCM means common factor multiplied by non-common factor. Now cos theta is common, so cos theta is the LCM. Cos theta divided by cos theta, we get 1. 1 is multiplied to denominators. So sin theta into 1 plus cos theta, cos theta and sin theta. Sorry, cos theta and sin theta both are the different non-common factors. So we get cos theta cancel sin theta. So we get here sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta. Similarly, sin theta is cancelled, cos theta into cos square theta 1. So this sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 from the equation number first. We have already did it. So we get here 1 cos theta sin theta. Now we write this result 1 divided by cos theta into 1 divided by sin theta. So this result is equal to secant theta and 1 over sin theta is equal to cosecant theta, which is right hand side. So we can say that verify that tangent theta plus cotangent theta is equal to secant theta cosecant theta. Thank you very much for watching. Once again, appreciate you in advance. Please subscribe my channel.